Last year, macOS Tahoe 26 gave Apple's desktop a bit of a liquid glass facelift. And now, this year's macOS Golden Gate is the star of the show with new Siri AI. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Siri AI will be integrated into Spotlight in macOS Golden Gate, making the feature more useful for power users. In demos at WWDC, Apple reps used Siri AI to find when a concert was happening, figure out how to get tickets, and then play music from that artist, all in one conversation. We also saw Siri AI figure out a friend's new address from text messages, then plan a route to a scenic view that stopped along that address. The demo pulled off all these tasks in real time, but users won't be able to fully judge Siri AI until they can actually test it themselves. At first glance, Siri AI looked more useful than other AI agents, since it can access your personal information securely right on device. Without reaching into the cloud, macOS Golden Gate will also support a refined version of Liquid Glass, which is more customizable and readable than before, as Liquid Glass was causing too much trouble in Apple devices last year. The company also says that macOS will support some noticeable speed upgrades too, along with all of its new platforms. Apple's Siri revamp has been delayed multiple times after its WWDC 2024 preview, when the company didn't even have working demos. And honestly, it probably would have been much more impressive if it actually landed in 2024 or last year. But being late to a new technology may give Apple more time to build it thoughtfully. You'll have to wait a bit longer to actually use Siri AI, as it'll be available in beta later this year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.